The journey of a modern railway train begins with massive steel deliveries arriving at the manufacturing facility. Every raw material is carefully inspected before entering the production line.
Noted. Hold for quality control.
Precision cutting machines transform heavy steel plates into components for future railway coaches. Skilled workers and advanced machinery shape the structural framework that will support the entire train. The first train body sections move toward assembly, marking the beginning of full-scale railway manufacturing. Advanced welding technology permanently joins the train structure into a single strong body. Powerful overhead cranes move the massive train bodies safely to the next production stage. The bogie, which supports the train and allows smooth movement on the tracks, is assembled with precision. Wheel sets are carefully installed to ensure stability, balance, and long-term reliability. The train body and bogies are finally combined, creating the foundation of a complete railway vehicle. With the main structure complete, technicians begin building the train from the inside out. Electrical systems are carefully routed throughout the train to power every onboard function. Modern automatic doors are installed to ensure safe and reliable passenger access. Roof systems and climate control equipment complete another major stage of the manufacturing process. The passenger cabin begins to take shape as seating and interior components are carefully installed. Modern electronics and safety systems transform the train into a fully equipped transportation vehicle. Inside the driver's cabin, advanced control systems are installed to ensure safe railway operations. Before painting, every surface is cleaned and prepared to achieve a flawless finish. Automated paint systems apply the final exterior coating, giving the train its distinctive appearance. The protective paint is cured under controlled conditions to ensure long-lasting durability. Company markings and identification details are added before the train enters final inspection. Every mechanical system is carefully examined to guarantee safety and reliability. Engineers test the train's electrical systems to confirm that every onboard function operates correctly. The finished train undergoes controlled testing before receiving approval for passenger service. Every braking system is tested under controlled conditions to ensure maximum passenger safety. Detailed undercarriage inspections confirm the reliability of every critical mechanical component. Final quality inspections verify that the train meets strict manufacturing and safety standards. The completed train receives its final cleaning and finishing touches before delivery.
Prepare for transport.
After months of precision engineering and manufacturing, the railway train leaves the factory ready to serve passengers around the world. The completed train begins its first controlled movement on the factory testing track.
Okay, noted. The wheel rotation is smooth.
Engineers carefully evaluate acceleration, braking, and overall operating performance. After testing, every critical system is inspected one final time before delivery. The train is prepared with documentation and safety approval for customer handover. The manufacturing journey is complete as the finished railway train leaves the factory, ready to begin service on rail networks. The final delivery inspection confirms that every manufacturing standard has been successfully completed. The new railway train is carefully connected for its journey beyond the factory. With every system approved, the completed train begins its first journey toward the national rail network. Behind every modern railway train stands one of the world's most advanced manufacturing processes. This is how modern factories manufacture railway trains from beginning to end. Precision machined steel wheels provide the strength and durability required for decades of railway service. Each wheel set is assembled and aligned to ensure smooth, stable, and reliable operation. Advanced braking systems are installed to guarantee safe performance under every operating condition. Electrical control equipment powers the train's communication, monitoring, and operating systems. Before approval, every mechanical and electrical system is inspected as one complete railway vehicle. Advanced quality assurance tests verify the strength of every critical structural component. The completed train must withstand extreme weather conditions before entering service. Suspension and vibration testing ensures a safe and comfortable ride for future passengers. Every interior feature is carefully inspected to meet modern railway safety and comfort standards. With every inspection complete, the railway train is approved for final customer delivery. The completed train is prepared for delivery with final documentation and operational approval.
Everything is ready for handover.
A new railway train begins its journey beyond the factory after successfully completing every production stage. Large manufacturing facilities can produce multiple railway trains simultaneously to meet global transportation demands. While one train is delivered, production continues as the next generation of railway vehicles takes shape. Continuous engineering, precision manufacturing, and teamwork drive every stage of modern railway production. Every completed train represents months of engineering, precision manufacturing, and detailed quality control. As one project ends, the factory immediately prepares for the next railway manufacturing cycle. Modern railway factories operate continuously, transforming raw steel into advanced transportation systems. Thousands of skilled workers and powerful machines work together to keep railway manufacturing moving forward. And this is how modern factories manufacture railway trains from beginning to end.